Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Morning, fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm very well, thanks. I'm very good, and I'm always fine. Ya. Bisa berdoa dulu? Silakan, ketua kelas.
Doaan. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahman. Amin. Salaman.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, I will check your absence. Pak akan cek absensinya. If you are present, just say present. Aini Nur Fatima, Aldo Adi Pratama, Anggita Zahra, Ardana, Agita Irgi, Muhammad Rafali, Kian Kenzi Ibrahim. Oke. Jadi ada beberapa yang sakit, ada juga beberapa yang izin ya. Mudah-mudahan yang sakit, semoga penyakitnya cepat diangkat dan kembali sehat. Amin ya Allah ya Rabbal Alamin. Oke. Sebelumnya di hari apa ya minggu kemarin itu Bapak masuk sini teh? Hari Rabu ya? Ya, at last Wednesday Bapak sudah memberikan chapter 0 ya ke kalian. Chapter 0 itu review dari kelas 7. Di antaranya kemarin itu ada apa? Introduction. Kemudian ada apa lagi? Preposition. Terus apa lagi? Daily activities dan juga waktu. Nah, hari ini kita akan mengulang kembali tentang daily activities. Expression pattern for taking in your daily routine. So, we are going to learn about this. We are going to discuss about this, and in the end of the day, maybe some of you will come in front of the class and do some dialogue, ya. Do some dialogue yang sudah Bapak siapkan nanti di sini. So I need you to speak up, guys. I need you to speak up, and I need you to confidence. Okay, this is daily routine from morning into the night. Ya, from morning into the night. Ya. Yang pertama itu jam 5 sampai jam 7. Ya, ada wake up, take a shower, pray, and have breakfast. Supaya lebih menarik, Bapak akan coba activities in the morning. The first is wake up. Ya, this is wake up. Wake up bahasa Indonesianya apa, Aldo? Bangun tidur. Jadi kita selalu memulai sesuatu dengan bangun tidur. Kalau belum bangun ya nggak bisa melakukan aktivitas lain. Kemudian setelah bangun, take a shower. Ya, ini bukan Ervan ya, bukan ya. Take a shower bukan Ervan ya. Bukan Ervan ya, ini bukan Ervan, bukan. Bukan Van, bukan. Ya. Kemudian setelah take a shower, nah ini baru Ervan, pray, soleh ya. Ervan soleh banget lah pokoknya Ervan mah ya. Soleh banget. This is pray. Ya. Pray artinya salat ya. Nah, ini dilakukan di pagi-pagi apa ini? Have breakfast. Betul sekali. Apa bahasa Indonesianya? Sarapan. Ada yang sudah sarapan? Oke, lanjut ya. Kemudian setelah sarapan biasanya go to school. Setelah go to school itu arrive the school atau tiba di sekolah. Ya, gitu. Kemudian ada ini, setelah tiba pastinya ada selalu study at school, belajar. Ya, belajar di sekolah. Oke, kemudian ada have lunch, artinya
Makan siang.
apa artinya?
Makan siang.
Makan siang. That's good. Setelah makan siang, belajar lagi, kemudian pulang. Kemudian ada kegiatan play with friends. Ya, play with friends. Bermain dengan teman, kemudian nah ini sering gak nih? Help parents. Jadi satu hari itu usahakan walaupun hanya 10 menit, setengah jam, kita tolong orang tua kita. Ya, kemudian ada do homework, kerjakan PR. Kemudian have dinner atau makan malam. Betul. Kemudian setelah makan malam tidak main handphone dulu ya, langsung tidur. Atau boleh sih sebetulnya untuk memanfaatkan waktu misalkan untuk belajar dulu atau misalkan untuk sekedar hiburan sesaat sebentar, tapi harus dibatas waktunya ya. Tidak boleh lebih dari 1 jam misalkan supaya tidurnya tidak terlalu malam. Tidur. Nah, sekarang Bapak mau minta beberapa mungkin untuk maju ke depan ya. Tadi yang Bapak tunjuk pertama questionsnya, kemudian answernya ya.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have
Rice.
I have
I have rice, egg, and milk.
Oke.
What do you do in the morning? I get ready for school.
Oke, sip. Thank you, tepuk tangan buat Aud dan Nai. Irgi jadi questionnya, Ervan jadi answernya.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by motorbike.
What time do you leave home?
I left home at 6:45.
Oke, sip. Thank you, tepuk tangan untuk Ervan dan Irgi. Questionnya Sanum jadi answernya. Boleh yang study at school.
What do you do at school? I study and learn. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English.
Oke, thank you. Give applause. Question Aldo yang answer. Dava yang ini, Aldo yang ini. Ya.
What do you have for lunch? I have rice, chicken, and vegetables.
Where do you have lunch?
I have lunch at school.
Oke, that's good. Tepuk tangan.
What time do you go home? I go home at 3 o'clock. What do you do when you get home? I take a rest.
Oke, thank you. Tepuk tangan. So guys, sekarang karena tadi sudah Bapak jelaskan bagaimana cara untuk bertanya dan juga kegiatan apa saja yang kalian lakukan di pagi, di siang, dan di sore atau di malam. Nah, sekarang Bapak mau kalian bikin 3 pertanyaan ya. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? And what do you do in the evening? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? And what do you do in the evening? Ketiga pertanyaan ini kalian juga jawab langsung ya gitu. Jadi kamu ngapain aja di pagi, kamu ngapain aja di siang, dan kamu ngapain aja di malam. Nah, setelah itu nanti Bapak akan pasangkan kalian berdua untuk saling bertanya. Ceritanya keliling sih. Boleh minimalnya 2 kegiatan lah, di pagi 2 kegiatan, di siang. Apa? Ya pokoknya gitu ya. Pokoknya gitu. WhatsApp. Play with friends. Boleh misalkan I study in the morning. I pray in the morning. At school.
Aku I study and learn at school.
Iya, nggak apa-apa. Boleh. Mau 2, mau 8, mau 10, nggak apa-apa. I have dinner with my family. What's up? It's break time, boleh. Play the games in handphone.
In the handphone.
Okay, that's good. Yes, I want some of you to come in front of the class. Ya, nanti satu-satu maju ke depan kelas.
What do you do in the morning?
I pray in the morning and I take a shower. What do you in the morning?
I take a shower and I pray. What do you in the afternoon?
I playing games in the handphone and I have lunch. What do you do in the afternoon?
I'm study and I have lunch. What do you in the evening?
I do homework and I have dinner. What do you do in the evening?
I'm play game and help my parents.
What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon?
What do you do in the morning? In the morning, I wake up and I take a shower. What do you in the afternoon? In the afternoon, I play with friends. And what do you do in the evening? In the evening, I have dinner with my family and I take a rest.
Giselle, what do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up and take a shower, and then I pray subuh.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I study and play with friends at school.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I go to home from school and take a shower before I do my homework. Gita, what do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up and then take a shower. After take the shower, I pray subuh. Next, I have a breakfast. After finishing my breakfast, I go to school.
Next, what do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I study at school. And then at the break time, I have a lunch. After that, I pray Dhuhr.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I go to home after finishing school, and then I take a rest before I do my homework. After I am finishing my homework, I go to sleep.
Give applause to your friends, to all of you. Yeah. So now you can ask your friends about what is their activities in the morning, what is their activities in the afternoon, and also what the activities in the evening. Yeah. So for now, we just learned about that. In the next meeting, in our next study, you have to create your own daily activities from the morning into the night. Yeah, from the morning into the night. So you have to make your own activities. Untuk pembelajaran hari ini dengan mengucapkan hamdalah bersama-sama. Alhamdulillah. Ya, terima kasih. Bapak pamit. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.